Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Google account, Maps API access, and the extractor installed and permitted. Once done, pick a target area and apply filters, category, radius, and open hours, because focused queries reduce noise and API usage. Next, configure output format and frequency so data is saved correctly. Choose CSV or JSON and a sensible rate to avoid throttling. Make sure to test one small query, first to verify credentials and parsing before scaling up. You now execute the extraction with precise query parameters: keywords, coordinates, and radius in meters. This controls result relevance and API cost. Once started, the extractor should handle pagination and respect delays between requests, because avoiding rate limits maintains stability. As data streams in, map each field to your schema, for example name, address, phone, rating, and review link, and validate a few rows. If parsing rules mismatch, adjust selectors or rejects, then rerun the small test to confirm correct extraction. You finish by validating and cleaning the dataset. Remove duplicates, fill or flag missing fields, and confirm coordinates against map thumbnails so location data is reliable. Once cleaned, export to CSV or JSON, add timestamps and a source ID column for traceability, and store backups. If extraction stalls or you hit blocks, first reduce request rate, then rotate API keys or use a reputable proxy. Make sure to monitor quota and error logs, because steady, cautious retries are usually the safest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.